Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the English language classes we offer. This week in class I was chatting with one of my students about his plans for the Christmas holidays, and he told me he was planning to drive a couple of 100 miles to visit his grandmother. Apparently his gran is 82 years old and lives on her own in an apartment. She's still very sprightly, she's still in very good health, but the problem is she lives on the state pension, the money that she gets from the government, the money that she's been getting since she retired 15 years or so ago. And as my student said, the state pension is basically a pittance. So he has to take some extra food and maybe a little bit of extra money for her to help her get by. If you describe something as a pittance, you mean it's an incredibly small amount of money, so small it seems unfair, and we usually use it to talk about money we have to live on. So you might say the state pension is basically a pittance. When you're complaining about your job, you might say, don't get me wrong, I love the work, but we get paid a pittance. You might say that the company was sold for a pittance when you think it should have been sold for a lot more. And maybe you might hear people complaining that they can't live on the pittance that their parents send them. If you've liked this video, please click the like button below, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use the noun a pittance.